Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Minnie. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you stay and enjoy the great contents that I'll be posting. So, me here look mother everything. So I'm gonna walk with my mother right now, and I'm gonna ask my little sister if she came around me here. At first, me did want like it for curl up, you know, them natural hairstyle curl up thing, but I am not prepared. Me not have enough gel. Me not have enough eco gel and all of that. Me not sure if my little sister have enough, but if she have enough, me will do that style. But me just want me ear cane her over. I'm gonna go ask her if she cane her over me here. Just spend the day down there and then come on back. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video, you can be notified. Remember, come here, sweat time hot enough. Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Minnie_Burrell. So let's get right into this video. Sweat. Alright guys, so I just reached back home from my mother, my little sister came around me here, and I'm not extra. I never really vlog the whole process as she blow up my ear and I do my ear and all of that. Just something simple, nothing extra, because I'm not going to do my ear until the wedding. We have like what, 2 weeks left for the wedding? Yeah, I think I 2 weeks left for the wedding, so I'm not doing nothing extra. Just to make my face look like a light. Yeah. Me make me look so rough. I say, alright, I just go here on my ear, put into camera and just, you know, call it a day. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give a story time, just a little story time of how I think I survived call center. Alright, so back in 2016, I started working at this call center, and you know, I did it for a good while. And so when you're working at a call center, the money not really enough, right? The money not really enough. So me did really like sit down and I think about like how can I make more money, like, you know, what else we can do for earn, you know, for earn more. So me just did it one day in my cubicle, in a little cubicle. I think it was after lunch, soon time to go home. And me just did a sit down. I think like, what else can I do? Because at that time, like, as I get call center money, so it done. Your money done before you get it pay, because you done calculate out everything already. And you know, so as I get the money, it done. Anyways, me there in my cubicle the evening. So me did I say, what else we can do? What we can do for make more money? And then one man come to me and say, sell clothes. So I said, sell clothes? I'm a think about it. Anyways, I get paid the Friday. The Friday I get paid, and me take $20,000 out of my pay. And I think the next day off, yes, on my next day off, me say, alright, me take 20,000, and me say, me I got Kingston, me I go downtown, go buy some clothes for sell. So me take out the 20,000 now. Is it at 20,000 or 25,000? I think at 25,000. And me say, alright, me I go town and me I go buy some clothes for sell. Buy clothes, I buy a bath suit, and I buy glasses. So me I sell clothes, bath suit, bathing suit, and shades, glasses. So let me get the pay now. I take out my 25,000 and my budget out everything. My cousin did help me. That Vanessa. Yeah, big up Vanessa. My cousin helped me, and me and her jump on a bus early a Thursday. Is it a Wednesday or Thursday? One of them, I remember. And she followed me go town. She budget out everything. How much you go spend on this, how much you go do, how much whatever, fear, everything. And I said, me jot down everything and she write down everything, and me and her go town. We buy clothes, we buy outfits, me buy. And when me go town, me go in some store. So all me sell it now, all me buy it now, me buy them wholesale, me buy them because you have wholesale and retail. So I think me buy them wholesale because you get three I same thing in a different color, different size, and all of that. So yeah, so we got to budget out $25,000. You know, we get enough things for $25,000. We get the clothes, the outfits, we get the bathing suit, and we get shades for sell. May I say? I come back down and I start promote. My other cousin did my other cousin model the clothes them for me, model the bath suit them, model the outfits, the bath suit, and me did so take some picture of the shades and put it up on my status, and me get mad sale, like everybody run out. People there support me real. People there support me wicked. Me say, yeah, things them must sell off all the time. I say, alright then, this will work. So each time me make a money, me put on the profit or put on whatsoever if I go back at town other time them. So me used to sell, as me say, me used to sell the outfits them, me used to sell the bathing suit, and me used to sell the shades. Them time they know them have a big round Gucci shades them. I go town and I buy them and I go sell them. And I say, alright, yeah, that'll work. Then now I start sell panty. Yeah, I start sell panties. So I go town. Because me alone got town this trip. I just one time my cousin they come with me. And from that, I just start go town by myself. Like probably Saturday time or when I'm a day off, I just take a bus and go town. That's before I get pregnant and everything. So me used to sell panty. So I go town and go in at they have one, I think about enough about that should they town they sell only panty. So I go in there, oh God man, I buy so much pack of panty, You see, $5,000 can give you enough panty if you sell. Yeah. Me used to take either $5,000 to $8,000 and buy panty. You see, I got a call center go sell the panty them. Oh God, man, the panty them sell off. So them time, so me I sell the outfit, the clothes, the bath suit, shades, and now me add on panty something. Me I say, alright, yeah. But me I see little thing now. And then me start sell Bobby. You see, if people them run out for the Bobby, even though we never used to, we could sell on the floor, but me start sell Bobby and double me regulars. A double me regulars me used to sell? Yes, Bobby and double me regulars. Me used to sell the Bobby them for $20. And the regulars, double mint. How much me used to sell it for? $50? One pack for $50. Yes. Me say, me never fi sell on the floor. But we find we little ways and we carrying with Bobby them, and we carrying me double mint regulars for sell on the floor. And I say people them run out and then support me. Yeah. So are them things don't have to do. You have to try to think about things for sell to make a little money, because we know say a call center money, you know, as it come, it done. And me used to do a lot with you know, the little money when me did I make on the side, my side hustle. Yeah, and me really appreciate all those who did support me. You know, someone who watch this, someone who still support me same way, because myself feminine products same way. And you know, I think they just me did love work too. Me did love go work, and me love sell back things. So all of them sitting them used to work out for me. So I just have to find something for sell in the call center, because guess what? Them are going to support. The only thing, some of them, they will owe you. You have to know how to do it, because you have your things them, and then we take it and say, all right, when the next pay come, then go pay you. And I just say you have to do it. You have to be mindful, because they will not support you, you know. So you have to say, yeah man, take what you want, and when I get a pay, you pay me. And so, when they get them pay, they really pay me. Some of them, you know, me have to remind them, say, you know, remember me when pay come and all of them things. But it used to work out. Yeah, me used to, me love cartoon, you know. I mean, if you cartoon, a long time I cartoon. I love cartoon. Me say shades them, glasses them used to sell off. A bath suit them, bathing suit them used to sell off, like people love them. You see, all the panty them, people love the panty them. Me did with the outfit them now. Some of them sell, you know, but me did have you see, me buy enough, me did have a lot left back for me. Like, me don't know what else to do with them, because they not sell. So that are the reason why me did kind of stop sell, like the outfit them. Me used to stop sell the clothes them, because them used to pile up for me too. Like, me don't know they not sell. No matter how me advertise them or something. So that are the only disadvantage me did have. Like, them never did sell fast enough. Like, some people not like the style, some people say too expensive, and you know, but me did go on good. And then, you know, everything did just mash up when COVID come in. Everything just mash up. Me did get pregnant too. And as me say, COVID mash up everything, me I tell you. But I saw you have to do it when you're there call center. You see, if you just sit down and do nothing, as the money come, it done. Because you have to pay your fare, you have to buy lunch. All when I bring lunch at work, the money is still a done. You know, see the money. So you have to do something. You have to do something. Some of the people, them sell bath and body at work. What else them used to sell? Slippers. And people used to do them like hustling and thing. You just have to know how to do it. If you see where, if you make a little money, if you make a little extra money when I do a call center. Because I tell you, the call center rough. But the people, they run out and support me. Me really appreciate that. I say, yeah man, yeah. Yeah, all me say, them buy Bobby, them buy Wrigley's them and everything. Me never shame for sell. Me never shame for sell at work at all. People them love me. I'm love money to some. Yeah, so that's one I read them how you can, you know, survive a call center. Because I tell you, say, call center is rough. There's a lot of things where you can do. A call center. Some people them have partner. I'm used to enough partner. No. I support 2 partner. One from one from my supervisor, or one from one next girl. So partner good too. Can throw a little partner, because when I did make them the money then, I did our bill. When me, but me move from this already. I did our bill. Because I did give my father some money to buy some black. I know if 100 black or what me did give my father to buy. And I used to do my part in my household where which part me used to live. Me used to do my part in my household. And every morning, hey, me tell myself, say, yeah, I'm rich. Yeah, me account off money, them ask me used to make enough money, you know. I used to make enough money, but such is life. I know me did the young and them. Me didn't think about certain things. So, but yeah, me did like sell. Me actually remember what else me used to do. But them the main things them. The first time I just sit down in my cubicle and I say what me can do. And my idea just come to my head, and as I get it pay, me take out $25,000 and go town. Me and my cousin. And we go in a all store them. We walk, we reach up a town about 10-11 o'clock, so, and we walk out town. We go in all store them, and we see, me look and see which outfit me can put together, which outfit me can buy in a trees, and you know, in a different sizes. And the people them run out. One thing we call center, then go support you same way. No matter what, if they go owe you or what, them I go support you, cause you just have to do what you have to do. So my time them me used to say me could, as me say, me could carry in like clothes them on the floor, or what me always lock them way in a me locker. Yeah, me always lock them way in a me locker. And like when lunchtime come or little breaks or so, somebody will say, me see what you have. Me see what you have, and then me will log break or so and show them what me have. And they say, alright, then like it, then do this, then do that, whatever. And when payday come, you collect your money. When me used to do, me used to write down who owe me. Write down who owe me. Me never used to run down nobody for no money or nothing like that. When me see the payday come and then I reach out to me or come to me with the money or whatsoever, me just shut them a text and say, remember me. Or me used to type on the computer. We used to have one little chat something. And me type and say, remember me. And they say, yeah man, whatever, and blah blah. Me never used to have no problem with nobody. But me remember one time me say story time. After me they sell the panty them, you know. After me they sell the panty them, one supervisor, a manager supervisor, me not call her name, but me call her supervisor / trainer. The lady takes some panty from me. And she got home with the panty them and go come back the next day. Say the panty no fit her. Who go take back the panty? Me not go take back no panty, we just try on. You crazy? Me say me no want it. I think she did give her next girl. I don't want it back. And she never pay me. She said she go, me say she take both. Sorry. She take either 2 or 3 panty. And the lady come back and say the panty no fit her. Me never did go take it back. You try and you go on with the goods. And you try on the panty. You say, me fit take back the panty. You crazy? No. Me not do that. That no. That disgusting. You go try on the panty. You come back, carry panty, come give me, say you know fit you. So you never know, say panty could fit you from them the time there. Me say I'm not taking it back. Me not even remember if she did pay me or she did take one long time to pay me. All them things they selling a call center come with them things like people will take the things they must bring it back. I said they no want it, but me didn't go take no panty. You mad? You just trying the panty lady? You crazy. You got your yard, try on your panty, try on the panty and go carry back at work and say me must take back the panty. Say me must take back the panty because the panty cannot fit you. Hell no. Me not take back no panty. So I think she did say she go give somebody else. So I say okay. Me never run her down for no money or I don't remember if she pay me. So all of them I try to remember something like so enough things going on at call center, you know. enough things gonna cause they have to firm when they are call center. Have to firm. And nobody never really report me, or cause say enough you sell nothing. Everybody there sell still. Nobody never really report me because honestly, like when they call center, they have like all one 10 to 11, 10 to 11, or no, from 110 to 7, or or one of them late shift there. Me not remember the shift them. You want something for munch pan and all of this in there. Even one little wrigglies in your mouth for chew pan, one little baby. Yeah. So them never really report me or nothing like that. All the sicky them come by from me and sitting. So them did supportive when me did. Them did like me. So I used to get away with that. I never really have no problem. But just know which part for hide my things them for carrying on the floor for sell. So you have to be skilled. Okay? You have to skill in this if you go hustle a call center or all of them sitting there. But it was good. Yeah, so I guess that is it. I have enough story time still I'm in a call center and I'm have to come bust it up over here. So but yeah, that is the story time, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you work a call center, let me know if you're the daily hustling on the side same way, or just think about it and take your pay one day and go invest in something and come back and sell a call center, because they all support call center people support people. Only thing sometimes they just no like pay you on time. But yeah, this is my story time and I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, guys, to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Turn on your post notification bell so each time I upload a video you can be notified. Remember to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at mini_Burrell. I have a story time for boss up over here soon. I have a next story time for boss up. The story time, yeah. I'm gonna do it still, but anyways, stay tuned. Bye, guys.